The life cycle of a frog. What is a frog? A frog is a type of amphibian. An amphibian is a type of animal. Amphibians spend part of their lives in water and part of their lives on land. Frogs like water a lot. You can usually find them close to ponds and lakes. Frogs change a lot from when they were babies. Frogspawn. Frog eggs are called frogspawn. You can find them in water. They look a bit different to bird eggs. Frogspawn is made up of soft, squishy jelly. The jelly is see-through. You will usually find frogspawn in a clump, which is made up of lots of eggs. Here's a closer look. Each of these black dots is a tiny frog waiting to hatch. Tadpoles. First, the baby frogs need to get bigger and stronger. Each of the baby frogs will grow a tail inside their egg. After about a month, the baby frogs are ready to hatch. They are called tadpoles. Tadpoles spend all their time in water. They are very good swimmers. They eat tiny bits of plants found in the water. The tadpoles will spend about 5 weeks eating so that they grow bigger and stronger. Next, the tadpoles start to grow legs. They grow their back legs first, then their front legs grow. Their bodies also start to change shape. They start to eat insects too. Froglets. Next, the tadpoles' tails start to shrink away. They start growing lungs too. These will help the frogs to breathe on land. This takes about 14 weeks. Now they are called froglets. Frogs. After this, the froglets are called frogs. They leave the water and start living on land. Frogs still like the water though, so they tend to live very close to it. Soon, the female frogs will look for water to lay their own frog spawn. When they've done that, the life cycle starts all over again.